Welcome to the next chapter of the Rajyoga Meditation series. Rajyoga Meditation is a unique experience because it is different from many other types of yoga, like the Hatha Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, or the Mantra Yoga. It is different yet very simple and easy to practice. Through the practice of Rajyoga, one is able to make the mind peaceful, overcome negative thoughts, and free oneself from vices and weaknesses. But how to practice Rajyoga meditation? Let us see. Yoga means connection or link. In Rajyoga, the connection is established between the soul and the Supreme Soul. Just like a mobile phone is charged when we connect it to a powerhouse, likewise, the soul is charged when we connect it to the source, that is, God or the Supreme Soul. Rajyoga meditation is all about establishing this connection. The definition of Rajyoga meditation is: forget your body and all bodily relations and possessions, and consider yourself as a point of light, soul, and remember the Supreme Soul in the Supreme Abode, that is Paramdham. So we see there are three main things to remember in Rajyoga. 1. Soul consciousness, or remembrance of our true identity as that of a soul, a point of light residing in this body. 2. God consciousness, or the loveful remembrance of God. And thirdly, remembrance of the Supreme Abode, the place from where you and I have come from.
निराकार परमात्मा से कनेक्शन जोड़कर अपने मन को शांत और शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए सीखिए राजयोग मेडिटेशन। 7 दिन सिर्फ 1 घंटा रोज आप ब्रह्मा कुमारीज मेडिटेशन सेंटर पर राजयोग निशुल्क सीख सकते हैं। अपने नजदीकी सेंटर का एड्रेस जानने के लिए या मेडिटेशन ऑनलाइन सीखने के लिए आप हमें ईमेल करें contact@awakeningtv.in या कॉल करें 8209333033 या 8209888988 पर।